Hi guys, it's your girl Igbowithqueentv. Welcome to my channel. You all know what we do in this channel, right? We speak Igbo, we teach Igbo. We help beginners learn how to speak Igbo language. Either you're married to an Igbo man, you're married to an Igbo woman, you have Igbo relatives, you have Igbo uncles, Igbo aunties, you want to speak, you want to surprise them, this channel is for you. Here we help beginners learn to speak Igbo language. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys our kitchen equipment, the things we use in the kitchen, what they are called in Igbo language. So guys, stay tuned. Pot. You know what pot is called? The pot we use in cooking. You know what is called in Igbo language? Pot is called ite. Pot is called ite. The pot we use in cooking in our kitchen is called ite. Ite. That is pot. Ite. That is pot. Ite. Spoon. Spoon. You know your spoon you use in eating. Spoon. It's called ngaji. Spoon is called ngaji. That is spoon. Ngaji. Spoon is called ngaji. Say it with me. Ngaji. Frying pan. Frying pan. Frying pan is called itembadamba. Itembadamba, that is frying pan. Itembadamba, that is frying pan. Itembadamba. Pot is ite. But frying pan is itembadamba because it's wide. Mbadamba is wide. Itembadamba. Stove. Well, either your stove or gas. Stove or gas. Whatever you're using in your house. Stove or gas is called eku. Eku. That is stove or gas. It's called eku. Where you cook. It's called eku. It's called eku. That is where you cook. You know your mortar, where you pound your pepper. Mortar is where you pound your pepper. Mortar is where you pound your pepper. Where you can pound your egusi, where you can pound your ogbono. That is ikwe. It's called ikwe. Mortar is ikwe. Ikwe. That is mortar. You know, this time, we're in our new life, we use blender. But in our mother's house, in our father's house, we use ikwe. You cannot see blender in my father's house. We use ikwe. That is olden days instruments, olden days materials. Ikwe. Nobody has blender. In our olden days, we never use blender. We use ikwe. Forget about this new life that have come out now. We use ikwe to pound whatever you want to pound. We use our ikwe to pound the gusi. We use our ikwe to pound our pounded yam. We use our ikwe to pound ogbono. We use it to pound okra. That is ikwe. Mmiri. Mmiri is water. Mmiri is water. That is mmiri. Of course, if you want to cook, you need water. So it's part of kitchen equipment. Mmiri is water. Mmiri is water. Mmiri, that is water. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you like and enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on this channel so that you can learn more about Igbo. Enter my videos. Watch the ones I have done. I believe you're going to learn more about Igbo language. And see you guys in my next video.